ਹੈਲੋ ਡੀਅਰ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਕੂਲ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਬੋਰਡ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਲਈ ਸੀਈਪੀ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟਸ ਭੇਜੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਕਲਾਸ 10th ਦੀ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੀ ਫਰਸਟ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਰਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ, ਨਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੋਟਿਸਡ ਦੈਟ his grandfather frequently urinated because of diabetes. He told his grandfather that diabetes occur if a hormone is not secreted in proper amount. Which hormone is responsible for this disease and which process of his grandfather is affected due to diabetes? Thyroxine respiration, insulin digestion, insulin excretion, adrenaline circulation. ਇਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ insulin excretion. Second question है, which of the following is not a type of asexual reproduction? Binary fission, spore formation, fertilization, budding. ਇਹਦਾ आंसर है बेटा fertilization. Third है, while trekking Khushdeep accidentally cut his hand. The bleeding stopped after some time due to clot formation by platelets present in the blood. Which statement correctly describes the role of platelets in this process? Platelets produce antibodies to fight infection. Platelets release chemicals that activate clotting factors. Platelets carry oxygen to the injured site. Platelets dissolve clot after wound healing. Answer है बेटा platelets release chemical that activate clotting factors. What is the main function of testes in males? Produce urine, store sperms, produce sperm and testosterone, transport sperm to urethra. Answer है बेटा produce sperm and testosterone. Fifth question है, a patient is brought to hospital for being ill. During investigation, protein was detected in his urine. Which part of nephron in his kidney is damaged? Renal vein, woman's capsule, collecting duct, glomerulus. ਇਹਦਾ आंसर है बेटा glomerulus. Next question है, which artery carry oxygenated blood? Most arteries carry oxygenated blood in human body. Which artery carry deoxygenated blood? Aorta, pulmonary artery, renal artery, vena cava. Answer है बेटा pulmonary artery. Which of the following is a sexually transmitted disease? Malaria, tuberculosis, HIV/AIDS, typhoid. Answer है बेटा HIV/AIDS, human aminovirus. Next question है 8. Jasprit fast for 24 hours without eating anything. Her body still requires energy for vital activities. Which stored substance is broken down first to release glucose for energy? Protein digested into amino acids for new enzymes. Glycogen stored in liver and muscles converted to glucose. Urea, excretory product. Fiber, roughage. ਇਹਦਾ आंसर है बेटा glycogen stored in liver and muscles converted to glucose. Ninth है, what is the role of fallopian tubes in female reproductive system? Production of ova, site of fertilization, implantation of embryo, removal of waste. Answer है बेटा site of fertilization. Water moves from roots to leaves during the process of photosynthesis. Which process moves water across membranes? Diffusion, osmosis, active transport, evaporation. Answer है बेटा is the osmosis. 11th question है, Paramjeet's mother asked her to cook chapatis. While cooking, she accidentally touched the hot plate and immediately withdrew her hand before even realizing it was hot. Which of the following correctly explain the action? It is a voluntary action controlled by the cerebrum. It is a reflex action controlled by spinal cord for quick response. It is a reflex action controlled by brain for quick response. It is a learned reaction developed through repeated practice. Answer है बेटा, it is a reflex action controlled by spinal cord for quick response. 12th question है, why is sexual reproduction considered superior to asexual reproduction? It is faster, it promotes genetic diversity and adaptability, it produces genetically identical offsprings, it requires only one parent. Answer है बेटा, it promotes genetic diversity and adaptability. 13 question है, Herman was strolling on the street at night. Suddenly a dog started barking loudly at him. His heart rate and breathing rate increased instantly, and his body became ready for fight and flight. Which hormone causes these changes? Insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline, estrogen. Answer है बेटा adrenaline. A farmer uses 14 question है. Farmer uses auxins on plants. Auxin play a key role in plant growth and response. Which of the following best explains the function of auxins in plants? Auxin stimulates only root growth by increasing cell division. Auxin regulates cell elongation and are involved in phototropism and geotropism. Auxins supply nutrients to growing tissues. Auxin act as vitamin that speed up metabolic reactions. Answer है बेटा, auxins regulate cell elongation and are involved in phototropism and geotropism. हाँ जी बेटा. Next है 15th. Name the largest gland in human body. हाँ जी, largest gland in human body. Pancreas, liver, thyroid, adrenal gland. The answer है बेटा liver. What is the function of guard cell in plants? Transport of water, photosynthesis, opening and closing of stomata, transport of food. Answer है बेटा opening and closing of stomata. 17th question है, a person met with an accident and suffered a brain injury. After recovery, he was unable to maintain his posture and balance while walking. Although his memory and thinking abilities remain normal, which part of the brain is mostly likely to be damaged? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, spinal cord. Answer है बेटा cerebellum. Which method of reproduction is common in amoeba? Budding, binary fission, fragmentation, spore formation, and binary fission. During a 100-meter sprint, Mandeep's leg muscles cramp because the oxygen supply was insufficient. Which substance accumulated and which type of respiration occurred in her leg muscles? Pyruvate, aerobic respiration, lactic acid, anaerobic respiration, ethanol, anaerobic respiration, carbon dioxide, aerobic respiration. Answer है बेटा lactic acid, anaerobic respiration. Next है 20th. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called pollination, fertilization, germination, fragmentation. Answer है बेटा fertilization. 21st question है, a teacher brought a potted plant in the classroom covered with plastic sheet A. Few water droplets were collected inside the sheet. Students were curious to know about the process by which water droplets evaporate through leaves. What is this process called? Respiration, excretion, photosynthesis, transpiration. Answer है बेटा transpiration. 22nd question है, vegetative propagation in plants occur through seeds, flowers, roots, stems or leaves, fruits. Answer है बेटा roots, stems or leaves. Thank you बेटा. ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਰਹੂੰਗੀ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।